In this video, we are going to see how we can zoom different parts of the video during the live recording without needing to edit it separately or adding the zoom effect separately. You can do it directly with a simple tool installed in Windows 11. So we go to the Google and right here, zoom it. This is a very simple applications and you can directly get it in the Microsoft Learn section. So you don't have to worry about whether it's an authentic software or not. It is offered by Microsoft. So click on that and we simply download. It's only of 2.4 MB, but it will make your life so much easier. You go to the folder where it is downloaded. You extract the folders, click on extract, and we get it like that. So we double click to open it, click on agree. And now you can see that we have some settings. Here's the live zoom. Here's a simple zoom. So we just press Ctrl 1 on the keyboard and look at this. Actually, I'll set it to Ctrl Q because that's more approachable. So Ctrl Q is my setting. And as I press Ctrl Q, you should be able to see the zoom directly within the video. So you don't have to do it separately. Also, whenever we want to customize those settings, the zoom it is always loaded here, like this icon. So you click on that, you click on the options, and let's say I want to add a 1.57 or 1.75 zoom, and we want to run zoom it when the window starts. So we can do all of those settings. And also we can do some amazing functions with it. Like if you want to draw something, you just hit Ctrl 2. And after that, as soon as you want to use something, you can do that. So Ctrl 2. And now you can draw anything during the live recording. So how cool is that? Whenever you press escape, you should be able to get rid of this. But the main purpose is zooming it into specific sections during the live recording. That's how easy it is. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.